Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question and our given question is 1 is to power x plus 25 is to power x is equal to 22 into 5 is to power x. And we should solve this question for this x. In order to solve this question, first we should divide the entire equation with 25 is to power x. As a result, we should get 1 is to power x over 25 is to power x plus 25 is to power x over 25 is to power x is equal to 2 into 5 is to power x over 25 is to power x. Now this 25 is to power x and this 25 power x will cancel out together. As a result, we should get 1 over 5 square over all power x. Because this 25 can be written as 5 square and this whole value from the basic rule of algebra can be written as 1 over 5 square over all power x. This 5 and 25 which have the power x can be written as 5 over 25 over all power x. Now this 5 and 25 will cancel out together. As a result, we should get new value as 1 over 5 over all power 2x because this square value will go with and multiply this x from the basic rule of algebra. And after dividing both of these values, 5 and 25 can be written as 1 over 5 over all power x. Now you can see that this is a complex equation and first we should replace this complex equation into a simple equation, then we should solve this equation further. So in order to make this equation simple, first we should consider as y is equals to 1 over 5 is to power x. Here we consider as 1 over 5 over all power x is y. So now we should replace in this equation 1 over 5 over all power x with y. As a result, we should get y square plus 1 equal to 2y. Now you can see that this is now a quadratic equation and we can solve easily by using simple method of quadratic equation. But for the purpose of solving this equation, first we should rearrange this equation as y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 because this 2y will move from one side of the equation and to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 2y. Now you can see that this is a quadratic equation and a standardized quadratic equation. So it can be factorized easily. So we should make the factor of this equation, or we should factorize this equation as y square minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we should take common y from both of these values. As a result, we should get y as a common value and y minus 1 as a remaining value. Now we should take common minus 1 from both of these values. As a result, we should get minus 1 as a common value and y minus 1 as a remaining value. Now we should take common y minus 1 from the entire equation. As a result, we should get y minus 1 as a common value and y minus 1 as a remaining value equal to 0. Now from the basic rule of algebra, if the two bases having the same value and both values are multiplied together, we can add up these power together. So here we apply the same rule. As a result, we should get y minus 1 whole square equal to 0 because from the basic rule of algebra we can write one base and we can add up both of these powers. So here we add the both power as 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and equal to 0. Now in order to remove this square, we should apply square root on the both side of the equation. As a result, we should get y minus 1 equal to 0 because the root value cancel this square value and the root of the 0 value equal to 0. Now this minus 1 will move from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation and convert into positive 1 from negative 1. And here we get the value of y by solving this quadratic equation. Now as we know that the value of y is equal to 1 over 5 over all power x because as we know that x is a real variable and y was our substitution. So our main purpose is solving the equation for this x. So in order to solve this equation, now we replace this y with this 1. As a result, we should get 1 over 5 over all power x is equal to 1. Now we should apply log on the both sides of the equation. As a result, we should get log 1 over 5 over all power x is equals to log 1. Now from the property of the log, if we apply a log on a value which having also a power, so the power will go and multiply with this log value. As a result, we should get x log 1 over 5 is equals to log 1, because this power will go in multiplication with log and base value. Now this log 1 over 5 will go and divide this log 1 value, but as we know that the log 1 value is equal to 0, so here we get the value of x is equals to 0, and this is the answer for this exponential equation for the x, which is x is equals to 0. Now we should check this value x is equals to 0 is true for this equation or not. For this purpose, we should replace this x is equals to 0 in this equation. X is equal to 0, we should replace the value of x is equal to 0 in this equation at the place of x. So as a result, we should get 1 is to power 0 plus 25 is to power 0 is equal to 2 into 5 is to power 0. Now 1 is to power 0 will be equal to 1, 25 is to power 0 equal to 1, and 5 is to power 0 equal to 1, because from the basic rule of algebra, if a value having a power 0, it will be equal to 1. So here we apply the same rule. As a result, we should get 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2 into 1 equal to 2. And you can see that the both sides of the equation are equal. So x is equal to 0 is true for this equation, and so the answer for the value of x is equal to 0 for this equation. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.